Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of gaming monitors that can't keep up with your skills? Look no further than the LG 32GS60QC-B Ultragear 32-inch curved gaming monitor. This thing is a beast, with lightning-fast speeds and HD quality that will take your gaming experience to the next level. With its 180Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond GTG, you'll feel like you're right in the action, with smooth gameplay that lets you respond quickly to stay ahead of the competition. The 1000Hz curved screen is incredibly immersive, drawing you in and making you feel like you're surrounded by the game. Plus, with AMD FreeSync, you'll get a virtually tear-free gaming experience, with low-latency gameplay that lets you play at peak performance. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well-reviewed. It's a game-changer. The gamer-centric design is also a major plus, with a three-side virtually borderless and ultra-thin design that optimizes space on your battle station. Whether you're playing fast-paced FPS games or strategy games that require quick reflexes, this monitor has got you covered. With its impressive specs and features, it's no wonder why this monitor is a top choice among gamers. So why settle for a subpar gaming experience when you can have the best? Try out the LG 32GS60QC-B Ultragear 32-inch curved gaming monitor today and take your gaming to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.